Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Remitly app. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Remitly app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Remitly app. Here if you find update in this plus sign, then you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us.